What happens when you harness the power of creatine, the renowned supplement that's been making waves in the fitness world? In this video, we're delving deep into the world of creatine, uncovering not only the incredible benefits it offers for your workouts, but also addressing the crucial question of potential side effects. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Number 1. Creatine can help make us stronger. Imagine experiencing a remarkable 8% increase in your strength levels. Well, that's precisely what studies have shown creatine can offer. In a comprehensive meta-analysis of 22 studies, it was found that individuals who supplement with creatine exhibit significantly greater strength gains compared to those who don't. The secret lies in creatine's ability to replenish your muscle cells' creatine reserves, equipping you with the energy you need to conquer those heavy lifting sessions. Number 2. Creatine can help our muscles grow bigger. Not only does creatine boost your strength, but it also plays a pivotal role in muscle growth. By enabling muscle cells to store more water, creatine leads to fuller and larger muscles. This surge in muscle volume paves the way for lifting heavier weights and increasing training volume, which ultimately results in muscle growth. With daily creatine intake, your path to both bigger and stronger muscles becomes clearer. Number 3. Creatine can speed up recovery. Intense workouts often leave our muscle fibers torn and our bodies inflamed. However, scientific research suggests that supplementing with creatine can significantly reduce cell damage and inflammation associated with rigorous training, accelerating the recovery process. This is a game changer for athletes and fitness enthusiasts who rely on consistent training to reach their fitness objectives. Number 4. Creatine may help strengthen our brain. Beyond its benefits for the body, creatine also extends its advantages to the brain. Studies indicate that creatine supplementation can influence ATP levels in the brain, potentially enhancing mental performance. Therefore, making creatine a daily part of your routine can contribute to improved mental sharpness and cognitive function. Number 5. Creatine is safe and affordable. Here's the kicker. Creatine is not only incredibly effective, but also safe and budget-friendly. It stands out as one of the most thoroughly researched nutritional supplements available. When consumed in appropriate doses, creatine poses no threat to your kidneys or liver. This makes it not only a smart choice, but an affordable one, especially when compared to other supplements that offer far less in terms of results. These were some of the benefits of taking creatine. Now let's see what are some of the side effects of taking creatine. Dehydration. Creatine can draw water into muscle cells, potentially leading to dehydration if you don't maintain proper hydration levels. To prevent this, it's crucial to drink enough water throughout the day, especially if you're taking creatine. Muscle cramps. In some cases, individuals may experience muscle cramps or spasms while using creatine. These cramps are typically mild and temporary, but can be uncomfortable. Staying well hydrated and avoiding excessive dosages can help reduce the risk of muscle cramps. Potential for kidney strain. In rare cases, excessive creatine consumption over an extended period could potentially put strain on the kidneys. This is a concern for individuals with pre-existing kidney issues. It's essential to stay within recommended dosage guidelines and consult with a healthcare professional if you have kidney concerns. Weight gain. Creatine can cause your muscles to store more water, leading to an initial increase in body weight. While this is often seen as a positive effect for athletes and bodybuilders looking to gain muscle mass, it might be considered a side effect for those who wish to avoid weight gain. This increase is typically temporary and is due to increased water retention in muscle cells, not body fat. So there you have it. Some of the benefits and side effects of taking creatine. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.